What's up, Peak Timers? Let's open up 30 of the newest Hot Wheels cars. Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. Ford Focus RS. I believe. Lamborghini Countach police car. Grupo X24. 1971 Porsche 911. (2017) Jeep Wrangler. (1957) Chevy. Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. King Cuda. (2018) Ford Mustang GT. HW50 Concept. Volkswagen Golf GTI. Hoverstorm. Custom 1969 Volkswagen Squareback. Cruella de Vil. Back to the Future Time Machine in hover mode. Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. Mazda REPU. Bogzilla. SRT Viper GTSR. Skull Shaker. (2015) Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Cool Combi. Rip Rod. Heavy Hitcher. Land Rover Series 3 pickup. Nissan Skyline GTR BN R32. Fast Master. Hyper Rocker. In the comments down below, let me know which was your favorite new Hot Wheels car that we opened up today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.